So, ayan guys, nagluto tayo ng silverfish guys. Nagluto tayo ng paksiw. Pinaksiw natin guys. At tapos may eggplant. At saka guys, mayroong bitter melon. Ayan, ang palaya. Ayan, so nilagyan natin syempre ng garlic, onions, at saka black pepper. Para mas lalong masarap guys, try nyo pag nagluto kayo ng paksiw, lagyan nyo ng butter. So, para masarap at maalinamnam. So, ayan guys. Luto na ito guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Ayan yung eggplant natin guys. Binili ko pala ito guys sa Ocean Mart guys. Nilagyan din natin ng Kikkoman sauce guys at saka chili sauce para talagang masarap at maalinam na, at kunting olive oil. So ayan na guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. That's it.